Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doctor and video is completed. Today I am showing some tutorial videos how to impact injection. Tutorial video, don't try in your home. First of all, I am wearing gloves because gloves is very important. Check this guys, my gloves is complete. Now I start tutorial videos. This is my injection. It's around 5 ml. This is your upper side and bottom side. Let's start treatment. First of all, remove their cap successfully. Today use this one. First of all, mix properly before fill injection. Let's guys do it. Slowly push, slowly pull. Let's. It's done. Around 3 ml in injection, 3 ml medicine. Let's mix this one. Mix first. Slowly push and impact all and mix. Let's guys, let's. I think it's done. Remove air. Then guys, let's start to inject in your body.
All right, I am just cleaning the area now. You're gonna feel a small pinch, but it shouldn't hurt much. Just try to relax.